Hey, listen up, because this might be the most important 3 minutes you'll spend on your business today. Let me ask you, are you making more money, but somehow at the end of every month you're wondering where it all went? Yeah, that's not just you. That's lifestyle creep. And if you're not careful, it'll eat your profits alive. See, here's how it happens. You start your business hungry, scrappy. Every dollar is precious. You hustle, you sacrifice, you build. Then you start seeing some wins, a little more cash comes in. Feels good, right? So you upgrade. Maybe it's a nicer office, that fancy software, or heck, maybe it's just more Uber Eats instead of home-cooked meals. And I get it, you think you've earned it, and you have. But here's the catch, those little upgrades, they add up fast. Suddenly, your "I deserve this" becomes, why aren't my margins what they used to be? Let me be real with you. Lifestyle creep isn't just about your personal life. It's your business too. Subscription, staff, perks, swag, travel, you name it. It's all those expenses that look small but keep stacking up. The killer part, most entrepreneurs don't notice until it's too late. They wake up after a year, look at their P&L and realize they're making more revenue, but netting the same or sometimes less. That's brutal. So what do? First, get painfully honest about where your money's going. Open up your books line by line. Cut the fluff. That tool you use once a month, gone. Coffee subscription you forgot to cancel, bye. Second, set a rule. Every time revenue goes up, don't let costs rise with it, at least not automatically. Celebrate with discipline, not with more spending. Third, remember why you started. Was it to look successful or actually be successful? Don't let your ego run your expenses. Let your goals do that. Here's what I've seen. Lean businesses win. The ones that stay hungry even when they're full too. They reinvest profits, not waste them. They grow their war chest, not their overhead. And let me tell you, if you can avoid lifestyle creep, you'll build a business that lasts, not just one that looks good on Instagram. So today, I challenge you. Audit your habits, both personal and business. Cut the fat. Protect your margins like your life depends on it, because in a way, it does. Don't let lifestyle creep kill your profits. Stay sharp, stay lean, and keep building. Your future self will thank you.